Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Green Hell VR. This exciting feature allows you to team up with friends and face the Amazon rainforest together. The cooperative mode supports between 2 and 4 players, making survival a shared experience. It's available on both MetaQuest and PlayStation VR2 systems. One person will need to host the game, and you can decide if you want to tackle the main story or simply survive in sandbox mode. To host a game, first launch Green Hell VR and navigate to the multiplayer section from the main menu. From there, select the host option to begin setting up your session. You'll then choose whether your game is public for anyone to join or restricted to your friends only. After that, pick your desired game mode, either story or survival, and set the difficulty. Remember, the host's internet connection is important for a smooth experience for everyone. If you're looking to join a friend's game, the process is straightforward. First, make sure your friend has already launched Green Hell VR and started a hosted multiplayer session. Then, from your own main menu, select the multiplayer option. You should see a list of available games, and your friend's session will appear there. Simply select their game to join and dive into the jungle together, ready for adventure. Surviving in Green Hell VR is much easier with teammates, but remember a few key things. Constant communication is vital for sharing resources and planning your next moves. Be aware that friendly fire is always on, so watch where you swing your axe. If you die, you'll respawn at the last checkpoint, but you will lose all your items. Crucially, the host is the only one who can save the game, so coordinate your breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.